Hi friends, this is Akella. In this video we are going to talk about the role of HRBP in a more detailed way. One of the important roles is strategic planning. Unlike the traditional HR business partners involved in the strategic planning of the organization. They'll sit with the senior leadership, they will understand the business goals and their strategies, objectives, and they'll develop and implement those business strategies into HR strategies and implementation plans. That is where HR business partner will play a strategic role in that. I'll give you an example. If a company wants to make 100 crores turnover in the coming 1 year, so what are the different kinds of products, what are the different geographies they need to enter into, what kind of a target segment they would like to target that, and wants to sell their products and services. So to achieve that 100 crores turnover, what is the human capital that is needed? What are the skills that needs to be developed? And what kind of a ramp up of the human resources we need to take in that particular locations or geographies? So all these things comes part into the HR's strategy planning. So HR business partner will make such kind of things to make that 100 crores turnover plan to be implemented. So they involve in the strategic planning unlike traditional HR people. Let's discuss more details in my next video. Signing off, Akella.